Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix unresponsive touchscreen on Black Shark Pad 7. So in this video, I will show you a 3-step solution to this issue, starting with the simplest solution and ending with the last resort solution, which will most probably fix your issue. So let's start with the first one, which is the force restart. To perform force restart on your tablet, simply hold down the power button and the volume down key for about 15 seconds. By default, it will take in screenshots, but you're gonna have to keep holding these buttons even after the screenshot was taken. Keep holding them until your device's screen goes off. And once it does, release all buttons and wait until your tablet is restarted. And if the forced restart solution didn't help you, let's try the second one, which is rebooting our device into the safe mode. And since we still cannot use the interface of our device, we're gonna have to first hold these two buttons once again together to shut it down. And once the screen of your device goes off, you're gonna have to wait for the logo to appear. And then wait for about 3 to 5 seconds, and after this time start holding down the volume down button and just keep holding it until your device is relaunched, and it should be launched in the safe mode. Sometimes you have to repeat this process several times until you get the right timing and manage to boot your device into safe mode. Okay, so it's vibrated. Now we can release the volume down key and wait for this for our device to boot. So you can see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner right now. So we can unlock our device, try to, and if you succeed, then your next step would be checking which third-party application or background service could have caused this issue. So you can first of all go to settings and then reset your application's permissions by going down to system, then reset options in system, and then reset app preferences. Maybe it will help you, maybe not. Maybe you're gonna have to restart your device back into the safe mode after that. And also I recommend checking the apps section right here, going to all apps and finding any suspicious applications that you can that could have caused this issue. So basically any application that you don't know about, and then try uninstalling such applications. I know about Spotify, but I think it's the only application that I have installed here. So select an application that you're suspicious about and tap OK to tap uninstall, and then OK to remove it from your tablet. And then restart your tablet normally. So hold down power button and volume up and select restart. This will reboot your device into the normal mode. Now, if this solution generally didn't help you and entering the safe mode didn't help you, we're gonna have to perform a factory reset operation. Now, since we still cannot use the interface of our device, we're gonna have to do it in the following way. Hold down power button and volume up key together until your device goes off. Once it goes off, immediately start holding down power button and volume up key this time, and just keep holding these two buttons together. This will get you to this screen where you can use volume up key to navigate between options and volume down key to select the one that you need. Now we are looking for recovery mode, which is the first option. So make sure that it's selected and press volume down key to confirm, and wait for a couple of seconds. And once we are here, I recommend connecting the charger to your tablet so that we don't break it, because we don't want it to discharge during this process. Now we're gonna have to use volume up and down keys to navigate down to wipe data / factory reset option, and then press power button to select this option. Then select factory data reset on the following screen, and I'm not gonna select it because I'm not gonna perform factory reset right now. But once you're ready, just select it with the power button, you'll get redirected back to your recovery. At the bottom, you should be able to see some recovery logs about data was swiped successfully or something like this. Once you see them, you're gonna have to you're gonna have to press power button with reboot system now selected and wait until the factory reset operation is performed. After the factory reset operation is performed, unfortunately all data will be erased from your device, but most probably this will fix your issue and save your tablet. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.